Rosco.
Rosco.
We're hunting live chukar today.
Find it. Remember they all these. Here. Oh, you found the dead one.
Oh.
No? All right, boys, this way. Boy, bring it here. Bring it down. All right, let's go. Over here. Come on. This way, Rosco. Let's go. Here. Come on. Take him over. I'll figure it out. Let's go. Come on, Rosco. This and keep moving. Let's go. Maybe somebody else is dead. I'm smelling stuff.
I don't know where they've been.
Come on.
You planted one right here, right?
Yeah. Over here, Rosco. Here, boy.
You just gotta figure out where the scent is. The wind's
Yep. Here.
coming. Oh.
Hey. Come on. Let's get your screwing up. Get back on track here. Come on.
Wind's changed directions.
Yeah. Here.
Whoop. You planted one in that tall grass right there, didn't you?
Walking, huh?
Yeah, this. If you planted some in
Yeah,
tall
maybe.
grass, yeah, it's moving around over there.
Come here, boy. Hey. Bring that bird. It's in the grass moving too?
Yeah, that one
Or
right
you
there.
mean it's walking?
I hear something stirring over there.
Over here. Come on, boy.
Good boy, Rosco.
Yep, Rosco's got heel, sit, hold, sit, hold, drop. Good boy.